Welcome to TempTrack Hands-Free Temperature Monitoring. Before you begin, let's review the proper application of the TempTrack patch and how to use the app. When you are ready to use TempTrack, open the foil package and remove the patch. Please note 3 specific features of the TempTrack patch. First, find the temperature sensor position in the upper left corner marked Underarm. Second, locate the ID number. This number will be selected in the app to match the patch to your child. And third, note the Start button marked by Press to Start. To start the patch, press the Start button between your thumb and forefinger. You will feel the switch click when the patch is activated. Remove the backing from the patch just prior to application. The TempTrack patch can be positioned on either side of the body. Here, TempTrack is positioned on the left side of the body. Place the temperature sensor directly under the arm with the sensor, the corner marked with Underarm, in the center of the armpit. This location is important to obtain accurate temperature measurements. This image illustrates the proper application on the right side of the body. As soon as the TempTrack patch is applied to your child, it immediately begins monitoring body temperature and transmitting temperature information. To monitor your child's temperature with the app, you will need to create a user profile by selecting Add a new profile. Enter your child's name, then enter an alert temperature. The app indicates a fever for temperatures of 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. In addition, you may select an alert temperature to determine when you want the app to alert you. This could be a temperature recommended by your doctor. Next, choose the ID number that corresponds to the ID number on the TempTrack patch on your child. Selecting Save will set up the profile and take you to the next screen. This is your user list, which shows the current temperature for each active TempTrack patch. Multiple patches can be monitored in the app at the same time. Each status bar represents a user profile. Within the status bar, you will find the current temperature of each child, the child's alert temperature, and the time remaining for the patch. Patches that have completed their 24 hours of use are marked Done and are retained in the app along with their temperature data until you delete them. The app uses color to show the current temperature status for each child. Green indicates a temperature in the normal range. Orange indicates a possible fever of 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. And red indicates a temperature equal to or greater than the alert temperature that you selected. Touch a status bar to view that child's dashboard. The dashboard shows your child's current temperature, the alert temperature, and the remaining run time for the patch. The graph illustrates your child's temperature changes over time. If your child's temperature is equal to or greater than the alert temperature, 103.5 degrees Fahrenheit in this example, the background color within the circular display for current temperature will change to red, and your device will receive an alert notification. Select Snooze to silence the alert for 30 minutes. If your child's temperature falls below the alert temperature, the alert notification will be canceled. Select Dismiss to cancel the alert, and you will not be alerted again until there is another occurrence of temperature increasing to the alert level. The TempTrack app allows you to add notes to your child's temperature history. You can choose from 3 preset events: medication, bath, or feeding, or create a custom note. Select the time that corresponds to the event or note, and then press Save to save the note. Touch a note icon on the graph at any time to see the details of previously entered notes. Turn your phone horizontally to display an expanded graph. Turn your phone vertically to return to the normal dashboard display. TempTrack also allows you to view your child's temperature history in a table view by selecting View History. To export this data via email, tap the icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. The data is sent as a file which can be viewed in Microsoft Excel. The TempTrack patch broadcasts data which can be received up to 40 feet away. If you are too far from the patch to receive a signal, the app will display an alert. To reconnect to the patch, move your smart device running the TempTrack app closer to the patch. This has been a brief introduction to TempTrack hands-free temperature monitoring. For additional information, please visit www.temptrack.com.